Alright, YouTube, here we go. Good luck, Zach. We're busting 2 more boxes, black and triple threads. We'll do it in the same order that Clyde did his. Black first, followed by the triple threads. Good luck, Zach. cowboyzqna.
That's the way that they have won their football games. Run the football, control the clock, limit the other team's possessions and opportunities.
We're going to do this the old-fashioned way like I used to. Get in a little quicker, like that. Like that? See that? No struggle like I was doing on Clyde's video. Lustrous. Lustrous, lustrous, lustrous. Alex Gordon, 4 out of 10. Pretty nice. 4 out of 10, Alex Gordon.
Because he's a great player. A lot of it's because Sue plays next to him. This is Zach Lee at quarterback. And straight up the middle to Hello. And he's got to the 31-yard line.
The green out of 10 version. Pretty sick. Alright, pack 2.
Their whole offensive philosophy. They've gone to more 2 tight ends. They've got a bigger lineup in the game and a more power-running play-action pass. They started the season as more of a spread offense.
Yeah, it's a rookie year.
They've kind of gone a different direction when giving the ball to Hello. They fake it to him and leave.
And this one is numbered 7 of 18. Prominent numbers. Number 2 is jersey number Matt Cain. Another real nice one. Up-and-coming pitcher. Kind of established himself big time this past year. Matt Cain out of 18. So a couple really low numbered ones, 1 to 10 and 1 to 18. Cain and Alex Gordon. And here is the triple threads. Good luck. Trip dog. Alright, base cards are Walter Johnson, 525, Ryan Howard, 240, Chipper Jones, Chris Carpenter, Mickey Mantle. Oh, nice, Hall of Famer. Oh, I don't know what the middle is. Doesn't say. It looks like maybe shoe. But jersey with a pinstripe, then that's leather. Some kind of leather in the middle. Jersey with a pinstripe. 17 of 18 of Paul Molitor. Autograph.
Football's in the family. This is Daddy. Mom Janice. Bob played 12 years in the NFL with the Falcons, the Vikings, and the Rams. Looking on as his son's got a third.
Yes, go Wisconsin football in his Brewers Union. I wonder if it says what that is on there. Gamey's wild card, top triple thread, blah blah blah. It doesn't say what that is. It looks almost like a baseball. I don't know what the middle piece is. It's not jersey. Alright, pack 2.
And heads right for that first down marker. Splits the defenders and gets the first down for Nebraska. Rich Burkhead checks in at I-back. He's been banged up.
Alright, Brandon Webb, 525. Alexi Ramirez, 525. Johnny Mize. Roy Halladay. Hank Greenberg. And FAC is going to like this one. 7 of 18. Champs. Bat. Jersey. Chase Utley. Jimmy Rollins. And Ryan Howard. Triple.
Now Sean Watson doing a nice job of stretching this Kansas State defense. Running at him and then going play action and some misdirection on the play fakes. Marcel Jones, the right tackle for Nebraska, was shaken up. He's out of there right now. Here's Hello. Taking it inside the 35.
Yeah, last year's champs, guys. Pretty nice. We got the triple of the champs. Triple game used auto of Paul Molitor. The Matt Cain auto to 18. And the Alex Gordon lustrous number to 10. Thanks for watching. Peace.